I just love collecting.
You just love collecting it?
But keeping.
Okay. No, don't. त्यसको गेडी हो त्यो त त्यो फ्लावरको गेडी हुन्छ तर खानु हुँदैन
भित्र हुन्छ फ्लावरको गेडी
Collect the flowers.
I have lots of.
Why you are collecting these flowers?
But I love flowers a lot because my favorite is flowers.
Oh, that's why you are collecting it?
Yes. Whoa.
You are collecting it for what purpose?
Purpose? I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know.
Then why you are collecting it?
To make a daisy line.
Daisy line?
Oh no.
Disney
Dandelion.
dandelion? What is that?
Dandelion भन्ने यस्तो लाउँछ नि दे.
Crown. You are making crown?
Yeah.
That's why you are collecting it?
Yeah. Oh, I need this too. This to make too. I want to make everything. Lots of. Lots of flowers in the ground. कति धेरै फुल so much flower
धेरै रहेछ
म सबै फ्लावर कलेक्टिङ गर्न के बनाउन भन्दिम
के गर्छिन्छ त
यसले क्राउन बनाउन क्राउन
हो अनि टिपेर लग्यो हैन दुई थरी फुल फुलेछ ल हेरै यो पहेँलो यो रातो हैन यो 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 रातो हेरै कति थरी छ है